battery 1, battery 2. Reading 53.6.7. Output 0, power on. 53.6.0 the same. Inverter. Connectivity to battery is 53.1. Good.
DC.
Okay.
Panel. DC panel.
Okay. PB reading 90. PB to inverter power is on. Battery.
90.
Baba mo muna ito. Hindi. What we call is 90 to inverter, 75 to inverter, and then inverter input test for PB out input 76.7. Okay.
AC.
Check AC input. AC in
From grid.
from the grid. Okay, 2, 3, 4 AC from the grid. Go passing through the breaker. The same 2, 3, 4. Output 219. Power it on. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So inverter
Input.
input, AC input inverter. AC input
2, 3.
2, 3, 4. That is inverter AC input. Okay.
Output.
Output is none yet. No, nothing yet. So stand by to power it on.
Breaker.
Okay.
Inverter.
Inverter on. Alright. Pilot light green for the AC input and
PB. PB AC.
PB and AC input are green and the orange is
Inverter.
inverter is functioning. Setting up
AC input normal.
AC input now is normal 250 235
PB 76.
PB 76
Charging.
is charging. Go ahead. Okay, and battery is 54.
AC natin.
That is battery voltage, battery capacity. Output is 220. Yeah, okay, system information. Now, parameters going to be like low voltage cutoff, low voltage protection will be
Battery priority mode.
battery priority mode. Battery cutout is battery
49.
protect setting is 49.
49.2.
49.2, okay. And then battery
53.2.
restore setting 53.2. Go with the battery low bat protect
49. Wait lang. Pass ko ulit tayo.
battery protect should be 49.2. That is correct. Alright. Ano ba selection pa niyan?
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay.
Ano, eco mode. Ito na ito. Ayan. Ion. Lithium
Okay,
ion.
battery settings, battery type is
Lithium.
lithium.
55.2.
55 is the
Charging.
charging voltage. And on the home,
80 ampere. Home.
okay. All right. Right now, currently, we are at the PV is providing power,
Hindi pa tayo naka-out.
but we don't have, okay, we're going to activate the output now.
Output
Output,
is to 20.
output of the inverter now for the load is 221. To the breaker muna sa ilalim. At down,
Galing.
down. 221 must be 221. Now, the output going to the load is 11, and we put on the breaker to be 221. So we have an output now. From the ATC switch is 221 also. So it means the system is ready to provide solar energy by pressing the start the auto mode of the ATS. See the switching now? It's coming now to the solar. And right now, solar itself is providing power to the load with the load capacity of 6% right now. Okay. Battery voltage, okay. Battery capacity. Go with the battery capacity. Yes. Battery capacity is 93%. Alright, the system is ready.
Output parameter.
Output parameter is here now, 220,
Input.
60 hertz.
Input.
Input is 2, 3, 4. That's good now. And all the lights are normal. Green, input, PV, and inverter in the orange is activated. Alright, that's all for the initialization and the commissioning of the 6 kilowatt system. Thank you.